Have you ever wondered how to send data from DailyBot into a spreadsheet? Well, we can do it very easily. All we need is a spreadsheet here in Google Sheets, and we will need column names. So each of the columns that we create will be a variable that we can send information from DailyBot to this sheet. So here I have some sample names. For our check-in, we're going to send the check-in information into this Google Sheets. So I have here a name for the person that is responding the check-in, some responses for our questions in our daily stand-up, for example, and a date so we can sort everything out. To set this up, we're going to go on DailyBot. We're going to click on Settings, API and Integrations, and then we're going to click on Zapier. Here in the Zapier page, you can see all of the apps that you can connect DailyBot with using Zapier, but right now we're interested in Google Sheets. We're going to click here and use this workflow, and then we will be sent to Zapier. You may be asked to log in or sign up, so do that. All the things that we show you here in this workflow, you can do with Zapier's free account. Now, for our first step, we're connecting DailyBot. As you can see here in Trigger Event, we have various different trigger events. We're selecting check-in response because we're sending our check-in data into the spreadsheet, but you can send in Kudos data, or you can send in form data, or any data that you collect using DailyBot. We're going to click on continue, and we're going to select the check-ins that we want to send to our spreadsheet. I'm going to select here daily stand-ups, and we're going to click continue. Now Zapier is going to test our trigger to see that everything works, and then we can continue with our Google Sheets step. Here in the action event, we want to create a spreadsheet row. We're going to click continue, and then we're going to configure. We're going to select the spreadsheet that we just created, and we're going to select the sheet that we want to send the action to. As you can see here, now we have our variables. We're going to click here on the plus, and we're going to select the name. For example, we can see here we have a name variable somewhere here, if I can find it, in respondent name. For responses, we have a response variable that we can send, and for date, we also have a date variable here, created at date time. Here it is. Now, all of this information from our check-in, every time that somebody completes a check-in response, Zapier is automatically going to send it to Google Sheets. We're going to click continue, and we're going to test the step. And now that Zapier has finished testing it, we can publish it. Now, every time that somebody fills in a check-in, a new row in your Google Sheets spreadsheet will be created with the information that the user just finished inputting.